Oh, very.
Hi. Hi, little guy.
Man, this is something special.
It's not even my birthday.
He's holding his feet up. Come on. Come over here, Grandma. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta walk. Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Walk. Come on. Maybe about one notch too short. Come on. Move your feet. Move your feet. Yeah, come on. Stand up. No, don't jump. Don't jump. Walk. Hey, come on. Come on. He'll get it.
He'll figure it out.
He'll learn to go backwards first. Come on.
There, you made a move. Are you going bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Nolan? You going bye-bye?